Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup iPhone iCloud photos to a Windows PC reliably. Detailed guide. Step. Begin by ensuring that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the menu. Select iCloud from the list of options. Tap on Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos is enabled. This allows your photos to be backed up to iCloud. Next, turn on your Windows PC. Open a web browser of your choice on the PC. Go to the iCloud website by typing in iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, click on the Photos icon. Here, you will see all the photos that are stored in your iCloud. Select the photos you wish to download. To select multiple photos, hold down the Control key while clicking on each photo. If you want to download all photos, click on the Select Photos option at the top. Once selected, click on the download icon, usually represented by a cloud with an arrow. The photos will be zipped into a single file for downloading. Choose a location on your PC where you want to save the downloaded photos. Click Save and wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded zip file on your PC. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Follow the prompts to extract the photos to your desired folder. You now have a backup of your iCloud photos on your Windows PC. To ensure everything was downloaded successfully, open the folder containing the extracted images. Your iPhone iCloud photos are now safely backed up on your Windows PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.